You know exactly what to do. Spend less than you earn. Save the difference. Invest the rest. It's not complicated. A child could understand it. And yet, you still don't do it. Month after month, the same pattern. The reason isn't laziness. It isn't a lack of information. It's something running underneath all of it, quietly steering the wheel. It's called financial self-sabotage. And at its core is a single hidden belief that you don't truly deserve wealth. You'd never say that out loud. You might not even know it's there, but the mind protects its beliefs. And if some part of you believes money isn't for people like you, it will quietly arrange for the money to disappear. The overspend, the emergency that wasn't, the savings withdrawn just before they grew. These aren't accidents, they're the belief doing its job. The first root reaches back to childhood. Before you could question it, you absorbed a story about money. Maybe you heard, "We can't afford that," 100 times. Maybe rich people are greedy. Maybe money meant fighting or fear or shame. Psychologists call these money scripts, invisible rules written into you before you had any say. And decades later, they're still running. Your adult bank balance is often just your childhood beliefs made visible. The second root is the quiet question of deserving. Many people carry a feeling that they haven't earned the right to be financially secure, that wealth is for the more talented, the more disciplined, the more deserving, never quite them. So when money does arrive, it feels uncomfortable, wrong somehow. And the mind resolves that discomfort the fastest way it knows, by getting rid of it. You can't keep what some part of you doesn't believe you should have. The third root surprises people the most. It's the fear of success itself. Success changes things. It can separate you from where you came from. It raises expectations. It makes you visible. And visibility feels dangerous to a mind trained to stay safe and small. So you self-sabotage right at the edge of progress. You pull back the moment things start working. Not because you want to fail, but because failure feels familiar. And familiar feels safe. The good news, beliefs that were learned can be unlearned. Start by getting honest. Ask yourself, what did I learn about money growing up? Write it down. Just seeing the script on paper loosens its grip. Then rewrite it. For every old belief, craft a truer one. Money is dangerous becomes, money is a tool I'm learning to use. Do this consistently and slowly, the wheel underneath starts turning in your direction. You were never broken. You were just running a program you never chose. In the comments, I'd love to know, what's one belief about money your family handed you? Naming it is where freedom begins. And if this gave you a new way to see yourself, subscribe. We're just getting started.